welcome back to CodeCraft. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Yoshi Me. So first, open your Me Maker inside your Switch. Next, go to favorite color and pick this screen or this screen. Now go up to eyes and pick these. Then make them go up. But you're gonna have to fix the hair. So fix the hair into a hat. I just need to find it. Here we go. This hat or this hat. Then go back to the eyes. Go back to position and then move them like this. You have Yoshi's ears. Next, grab the nose and then place it up a little bit. That will be his eyes. Like that. That looks really awesome. Next, get the mole and then place it over here for his little nose and then make it big. Next, get a mouth like this, any kind of mouth. This mouth looks great. Actually, this mouth does. Yeah, it's perfect. Next, what you gotta do is get the eyebrows and then shrink them. And then place them up top, on the top. And then you got your Yoshi. That is a really cool looking Yoshi. And then enter Yoshi. Ta-da! Yoshi! And that's how you make Yoshi as a Me on the Switch.